you, Daddy.
You're welcome, honey.
Thank you siya sa kanyang daddy kaya in-open ang door. How was your day, honey? Did you play toys?
It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E.
Where's our car? What's
My car.
your car? Welcome back sa ating channel. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon and guess what? Ngayon lang tayo magla-lunch break kasi sobrang busy sa work and si Mike pala nag-lunch break siya kanina ng medyo maaga by himself. So hindi ako nakasama. 'Di ba normally pag lunch break kaming dalawa, pag wala si Paris dito, pumupunta kami ng shops, nag-walking kami. And unfortunately, sobrang busy si ate nyo guys, kaya hindi ako nakapag-lunch break together with Mike. Anyways, pumunta siya ng shops guys and nagbili siya ng lunch. And ito yung binili niya para sa akin guys. Malapit ko nang maubos. This is Vietnamese pork roll. And ayan guys, oh. Mura nagkuan, bahog sa baboy. And also guys, hindi na rin ako sumama sa kanya kasi sabi ko, for my lunch break, gusto ko ring gumawa ng mga gawaing bahay. So, ayan guys, oh, yung ating tutupiin is here. From last night yan siya, pero hindi ko na anuhan ng time, kaya ngayon ko siya tutupiin. And then, meron pa tayong mga hugasin na kailangan nating hugasan. So, sabi ko, ikaw na lang yung mag-lunch break kasi dito na lang ako sa bahay para magamit ko naman yung time later para sa mga housework. So, si baby girl pala natin is nasa childcare today kasi alam niyo naman, Wednesday, nasa childcare siya. But, have a look. Meron tayong mga update dito from childcare. So, ito yung app namin guys, oh, sa childcare. Ayan. Nag-update sila every now and then kung anong ginagawa ni Paris, kung kumain na ba si Paris, or nakawiwi na ba si Paris, and, o natulog ba si Paris. Tapos, ngayon, pag tulog na yung mga kids, dun nila ina-update yung mga photos. Ganyan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ewan ko kung makikita nyo guys, but, ayan, oh. Ayan. Pero pakita ko si Paris. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung baby natin, guys. Oh. Nag-fix siya ng kanyang bed kasi matutulog na siguro yan sila. And tingnan nyo yung suot niya. Diba, naka-pajama siya kasi I told you sa previous video natin na pajama week sila this week. So, pumupunta siya ng school, naka-pajama lang. Super cute. Tingnan yung mga kids, yung mga babies ba. Ayan. See, kung makikita nyo, guys. Ayan si Paris, oh. Naka-robe lang yan siya sa labas kasi nga 'di ba? Pajama week. So, naka-pajama siya tapos robe lang pag lumabas sila kasi malamig. Tapos nagbabike-bike yata yan siya. Pag nakatanggap ako ng mga photos na mga ganyan guys, yung ginagawa ko, kinukulan ko ng screenshot tapos pinapadala ko sa group namin sa Facebook. So, meron kaming parang group chat sa Messenger ba na nandun yung mama ni Mike, so lola ni Paris obviously, tapos nandun yung mama ko, tapos yung sister ko na si Mimi, tapos si Mike. So, yun, pinapadala ko yung mga photos doon kasi 'di ba para updated din sila kung anong mga nangyayari sa kanilang apo. Yung mama din kasi ni Mike guys, gustong-gusto niya yung mga photos ni Paris na pinapadala sa kanya kasi alam niyo naman nag-iisang apo si Paris at nag-iisang anak si Mike. So si Paris lang talaga yung special na apo kasi siya lang mag-isa. One and only yan siya. And alam nyo guys, ang bait-bait kaya ng mama ni Mike. Like seriously, I am very super duper lucky talaga na yung pamilya ni Mike is very nice, kind people. From the parents to the grandparents guys, wala talaga akong masabi. Super bait na talaga. Kahit first time namin nagkakilala, para in-embrace nila ako kaagad. Like, they love me straight away. Nafe-feel ko talaga yung pagmamahal nila para sa akin. Yung mama and papa kasi ni Mike guys, separated sila. So, yung daddy niya, wala dito sa Melbourne. Malayo siya. So, hindi namin siya nakikita always. But, even though malayo siya, palagi naman silang nagtatawagan ni Mike. 2 beses ko lang yata na-meet yung tatay niya in person kasi nga malayo. Nasa Darwin siya nakatira. 4 hours siguro na flight from Melbourne. And kaya yun, hindi namin nakikita nakikita si daddy niya all the time. But pinapadalhan din namin siya ng mga photos ni Paris. And minsan, nagvi-video call din siya. So, nandito yung tatay niya. For the first time na nakilala ko siya. Si Paris nun, very, very young pa si Paris. Mga ilang months pa nun si Paris. And ang sweet-sweet din ng daddy niya. Kung pauwi na siya, nag-leave siya ng card. Sabi niya kay Mike na, ingatan na daw kami kasi Mike has got 2 beautiful girls daw. So, obviously, ako daw tapos si Paris. So, he's very, very sweet. Tapos, yung mama naman ni Mike, guys, I think gusto niya na ako din yung kausap. Kasi pag gusto niya kaming kontakin, guys, ako yung palagi niyang mini-message sa Facebook Messenger. Minsan nga sinasabi ni Mike nga, ikaw ba yung anak? Kasi bakit sa'yo nag-message si mama, hindi sa akin. Pero ewan ko guys, siguro magaan lang talaga yung loob ng mama niya sa akin. Nung COVID ba, di ba nagkaubusan na ng sanitizer, ng mga ganyan. So pinadahan kami ng mama niya ng sobrang laki talaga. Sabi ng mama niya na post na daw niya yung yung sanitizer and ganyan. Tapos nung dumating dito, sabi ni Mike, bakit hindi ko to alam? Sabi ko kasi kami lang ng mama mo ang nag-usap. Wala kang alam. So, ayan guys, natapos na tayo sa ating mga tutupiin. Ngayon, maghuhugas na naman tayo ng plato. Ayan, ang babaeng walang pahinga, ang atin nyo. Anyways, gusto ko lang ipakita tong mga bagong napamili ko, guys. Ayan, so nagbili ako ng nail polish remover. Ayan. And also, nagbili rin ako ng ito. OPI na, nail polish, tsaka top coat. Ayan, kasi pumunta kami ng saan ba yun? Chemist Warehouse, tapos nag 50% off sila. So, normally, $20 each to sila, guys. Ayan. Tapos, na sila? $10 each na lang sila. Kaya, yun, binili ko na. Dito na kami, pinipick up namin ang batang maliit.
Where's your bag?
Alay, tingnan niyo yung kanyang suot, oh. Pajama week day, ha?
Here you go.
There you go. Oh, careful, na.
Daddy carry.
Thank you. Then my
Yeah, oh, come on.
Maya.
Hello. Say hello, Sabo.
Ribbons.
Say hello. Say hello.
That's your daddy.
You're welcome, honey.
Thank you siya sa kanyang daddy kaya in-open ang door.
That's your dad.
How was your day, honey?
Play.
Did you play
Toys?
toys and?
Hito.
And?
Hito?
Hito? Was Sarah here today? No?
Did you ride the bike? Did Paris ride the bike?
Yes.
My daddy.
My daddy home. Daddy signed her out.
Paris ride the bike.
Yeah, Paris right like a big girl.
What's yours?
Huh?
It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Sarah. Where's Sarah, be? Dahil mga teachers, guys. Oh. Where's Sarah? Muna yung favorite. Where's Hito? Wait. Eh. Good job, honey. Who's this? Who's this one? This one. Who?
Hito.
Hito.
Baby fish.
More baby.
You!
What's this one? How do you call this one?
This one! This is fish.
That's a little fish. Little fish.
This is your fish.
Yeah.
That's your daddy.
You're welcome,
Say,
baby.
thank you, Daddy.
Hi.
Let's go.
I'm
We're
car.
good. Where's our car? What's
My car.
your car? What's the color of your car?
Look.
Black.
Brown.
It's black. Uy, ito ako. Arama ka.
No.
Nga bata.
Brown.
It's black.
No.
Yes.
What's brown?
It's black.
No. Brown.
Black lagi.
No.
So, Daddy, is it black or brown? What's that?
No.
Is it black or brown?
It's brown.
It's black. Wow.
Black. My sit down.
What's wrong?
My sit down.
Mommy, sit down. What would you like, honey? Didi.
Didi.
Okay, Mama, sit down na. Didi. Bisa lagi si Mama, be.
No.
Na, maldita. Why Didi? Happy na siya ulit kasi nakadidi na siya. Wow! What's that, honey?
Oh,
What's that?
more water.
Oh, water bottle.
Pink.
Oh, binilhan ko siya, guys. Nag-stop ako sa Coles kanina. Binilhan ko siya nito kasi
Water.
dirty na yung isa niya. Kaya binilhan ko nito bago. Nak, we have to clean that first, nak. Ah, we have to wash it first. Tingnan niyo yung hair niya, guys. Oh, so cute, na. Oh, very cute.
Big.
Yeah, drink. Mama will put water. We'll wash it first and then we'll put water, okay? Na, butangan na ito tubig, ah. Say thank you, Mama.
That's your mama.
You're welcome, princess. What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Is that your bangle, nak?
You?
Lacha daw hati yung bangle, oy.
Green.
Ako na imong bangle, bi.
Green.
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 Green. Ako na imong bangle, bi. Take this off sa nak, bi, para comfortable ka, nak, bi.
Mama.
I-wash na nato, uy. Sabi, take this off, bi.
Oh, mama. Big.
Drink, yeah. Mama will wash and put water. Bi, anak. Are you Peppa Pig?
Big.
So, ayan guys, oh, yung mga napamili ko sa Coles. Nag-stop ako dun quickly. Si Mike at si Paris, nag-stay lang sila sa sasakyan. Hello, sweetie. Do you wanna say hi?
No.
Yan.
This one.
This one, here, oh, Mama will wash it first. Ayan, yung kanyang water bottle is... What's this one, ah? Is that bird?
Big.
Pink. Sabi dito guys, BPA free, leak and spill proof, and dishwasher safe. Sige na, Mama will wash. You like this one?
No.
No. Ang ilong sa bata.
Mommy.
Hang on, Mama will wash it first. Huh? B, have a look. Have a look. Mama will wash it first, B.
More.
Yeah, wash and then we'll put water, ha?
This one. Big.
Not that one, because that's kuan naman na yung old one. This one, Mama will wash. Okay?
Big.
Okay? Say, what do you say to Mommy?
Close the door.
Close the door. What do you say to Mommy? Please.
Please.
Please, Mommy.
Please, mommy.
Okay. I love you, Mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Very much.
Naya, Mitch.
Bakit siya palangga kasi Mama? Mama will wash me. She's waiting for her bottle.
I'm certain that too.
Ha, ayan. Tinalalize ko muna, guys. Ayan, nilagay ko sa mainit na tubig ba? Kasi bago pa naman ko. Tingnan na.
Mommy, up.
Tingnan nyo, guys. O, kaya pala siya medyo mahal kumpara sa iba kasi may mga ganyan-ganyan siya sa ilalim o para hindi siya mag-spill.
Mommy.
Uy, init! It's hot na. Wait a minute, ha? Mama will give it to you. Shush man. Ay.
This one.
This one. So, ayan guys, nabigay ko na kay Paris. Happy na siya. Meron na siyang bagong water bottle. Papakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung ating napamili sa shops. Konti lang yung binili ko guys kasi yung kailangan ko lang talaga is yung toothpaste tsaka milk. Hala, ang milk na pinuntahan ko doon, hindi ko nabili. Hala, nalimot. No? No? Open, okay. What do you say?
Please.
Please. Hala, nakalimutan itong bumili ng milk. Yun yung tuyo ko dun. Agay, nakalimutan kasi iba yung mga binili ko. Actually, ito, nabili ko na pancake. Ayan si Darling, kinakausap niya yung tatay niya. Kaya yan siya. So, kahit na yung, yung tatay niya malayo dito, always naman yung contact sa amin. Kumusta kami? Minsan nag-uusap kami sa phone. And, dalawa pala na ganito yung binili ko, guys. Tapos, bumili ako ng salted pretzels. Ayan. And then, while I was there, bumili ako ng Coke. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh! Sa kabuang ng atin nyo, kung wala sa plano, yung nabili. Yung milk na, yun talaga yung main na reason kung bakit ako pumunta doon. Hindi nabili. Ay, kabuang bagyod.
Not really, but
I've got Coffee Mate. Yan, hindi mo wala ang Coffee Mate. I've got Colgate. Ayan. Sabi ko nga sa aking mga friendship, sa group chat namin, si Lola's family, Amy and Anthony, and Jess Chill. Ayan, sa group chat namin, sabi ko, hindi na lang ako mag-toothbrush. Uy, kasi ang mahal-mahal ng toothpaste. Saan na? And we've got banana muffin, mini muffins. Ayan, love this one. And then, I also got these, ang tawag dito? Mango ba? Dried mango. Ayan. And ito siya is $3.95. Ito lang. And then, last one dito sa bag natin, guys, is this condensed milk. So, alam nyo, guys, kung bakit ko ito binili. Binili ko kasi gusto kong gumawa ng yema. So, alam nyo ba yung yema, guys? Bisaya ba yung yema? Hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog ng yema, guys. Pasensya na talaga. Kung alam nyo kung anong Tagalog ng yema, I think Tagalog din naman talaga yung yema. Anyways, let me know in the comment section box below, guys, kasi hindi ko alam. Pero, ayan, gagawa ko ng yema, hindi ko alam. Last time, gumawa ako, and nasunog siya. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano gawin to, but I'll do again next time pag nagka-time tayo. And now, yung gagawin namin is, magluluto lang kami ng dinner. Ayun na si Paris. Nagdala-dala na ng kanyang banana muffin. And yung daddy niya ay nasa phone with his daddy. Kaya, yeah, ilalagay ko lang tong mga napamili ko, guys, sa pantry. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Wala, nak. Is someone in the bed, nak? Have a look. Nak. May tao diha sa bed.
Clifford.
Huh?
Daddy?
Ay, sa daddy's? Gibutang ni daddy diha ang iyang panit. Wag gini ayo imong amahan, oy. Give mama one, be. Do you like it, nak? Do you? Give mama one, please.
Want more?
One more.
This one?
Yes, please.
No. This one?
Okay, anything. Anything and everything under the sun is. Thank you. Thank you.
That's pet.
Paris, thank you.
Pistachio.
What do you say when mama say thank you?
Mama.
You say you're welcome, mama.
Welcome, Mama.
Okay. Put it back na. Uy, nak. Ayaw ko na, nak. O, kauna sa natiwas, nak. Kaya, kuha bag-o.
This one is sauce.
Hala, ang ibabaw rin ang ikit-kit. Yummy?
Rice.
Yummy?
Kaya.
Nipikit sa yung ipon.
Rice.
Oh, what happened to your teeth?
Spaghetti rice. Spaghetti rice.
Yes, brush your teeth later, before bed.
Two beds.
Toothpaste. No, toothpaste. Nipikit sa yung ipon ng kuan. Banana bread. Wow!
Michael.
Mommy's watching na.
Come, come, come.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. One.
Wow!
Oh, Daddy, careful, ha? One fell off and bumped her head.
Ouch.
Oh no! Daddy, ask Paris, what's your name?
What's my name?
Mick.
Nick.
Nice.
Up.
How about mommy?
Up. Up.
What's mommy's name?
What's mommy's name?
Mick.
Mommy na.
Oh,
Oh, careful, Daddy. Nanag to, Daddy, na. What do you say? One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Oh no!
oh no!
Oh no! Uy, kitaga ka na.
Ow! No! No! No!
Ask Paris, what's the name of that robot?
What?
What's this now? What's this? What's this?
Bubble.
Did you poo-poo?
No.
Promise? Ow! Ow! Maraha.
Say sorry, Daddy, now.
Say, Daddy. Find the hat.
Yeah, say sorry, Daddy.
Say, Daddy.
Kiss Daddy, the boo-boo. Say sorry.
Say,
I love you very much.
Eagle.
There you go. Say I love you very much.
I'm ouch. Didi, Nami.
Say I love you very much.
Mommy, did you hear that? Didi yummy.
Didi yummy. Hang on, pag good night sa dito, bye-bye sa good night.
Good night.
Night, night.
Good night, guys. Say.
Night, night, days.
Nanay, Daddy?
Night, night, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I you, Daddy.
Kiss Daddy.
Kiss Daddy na. Didi na tayo. Alright.
No, Mommy.
Nami.
Ayan guys, nakatulog na ang ating baby. It's currently 9:21 ng gabi. Ayan. And alam niyo guys, nandito ako ngayon sa kusina kasi magkakape si ate niyo. Mag-overtime na naman ako sa work tonight guys kasi palagi ko na lang sinasabi sa aking mga videos, uy, busy talaga sa trabaho. Particularly this week, mabubuang talaga ako. And mag-overtime ako para tomorrow, hindi ako masyadong mabigatan ba. Anyways, i-end na natin yung vlog dito guys ha, kasi medyo ano na siya, mahaba-haba na rin siya. But before that, I just want to say maraming salamat talaga. Thank you talaga from the bottom of my heart. Sa mga bagong nag-subscribe sa ating channel, maraming salamat. Nakikita kong may mga bagong nagko-comment sa ating mga videos and it makes my heart very full. Thank you so much. I'll just do a quick shout out and we'll start with Liza Avance. Nag-comment siya. First time ko to siya nakita nag-comment sa atin. So thank you very much for your comment. Sabi niya, happy family. Heart. Maraming salamat talaga. And welcome sa ating channel. Shout out to our friendship here, Jess Shill. Shout out to It's Chrissy Me, Maricar de los Reyes, Joanne Ambe, Ginia Dular, Tintin Luyas, Janet Gordon, hello Dai. Shout out to Nuna Loth, Heart of Filipina Bella, Mary Jane Subere, Joy Pangan, Maribel Patiag, Israel Villarosa, Wilma Bilarmino, Pinay Afam Travels, Mylene Fernandez, Rosemary Romoir, Lizelle Iga, Red Sabial, Michael David Oiko, Mignol Castaneda, Junray and Gina Gikan, Lohan Pasadas, La Arnie TV, Joy's Diary, Joy May Marin, Miss Photogenic in Style by Jen, Happy Little Rose in Australia, Amy and Anthony, yung friendship natin dito sa YouTube, and also to our beloved friendship, Lolis family, hello Dai, baby Jessica. That's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!